How goes it? It's me, Jules, and I'm standing right here in my camper. It's day one of renovations, and I'm already breaking a sweat. It's hot out there. First up, some prep work. Gonna cover the floors, remove all the drawers, and go from there. So I painted one drawer just to get an idea of what it would look like. I think it came out pretty nice.
These are all like production people. Every single one of them is a solid, fucking minute out of the day. So it is a weird juxtaposition.
So doors have been removed, drawers taken out. Found an assortment of remotes. Not sure what they go to. This one looks like an oldie. You can tell it's beat up. Maybe we call that an antique dat. So now I'll be taping off everything so I don't get paint on it. And it's gonna be tough because it's so hot. The tape's falling off. So hopefully I'll be able to paint fast enough before this all decides to peel off. Not sure what happened here, but it looks like the wall's been kicked out some. So I'm gonna attempt to staple it back in place. Just won't stay. Let's try something else. So I found these tiny nails. I'm gonna try that. That'll do. So I kind of messed up here. I was pulling this trim out and it was coming out pretty easy until I got up to this point. Oh yeah, cracked it up real good. So for whatever reason, this trim was stapled all along the edge here, and when I went to pull it, it just ripped that entire corner out. Gonna have to fix that. Not sure how you fix this type of paneling here. Or I could just cover it up. Yeah, we're at the point of no return now. Yeah, so I'm no master carpenter, I'm just learning as I go. But so far, I think I'm making good progress. Did some sanding. I'm kind of just jumping all over the place at this point. You know, there's no sequence to how I'm proceeding with this renovation. But that's all part of it. Yeah, the first 2 days was more or less just me scoping out the work that needs to be done, materials might need, tools might need. Now I think I'm starting to pick up speed. I've got most of this sanded down. This will be last. The walls for the restroom will be last. I have to take it apart, unscrew everything, sand it all down, replace this rubber trim here because you can't paint over it. So I've got some white trim on order. Since that's the theme we're kind of sticking to. Alright, this trim here has to go. So all this is are two pieces of wood covered in foam and material stapled together back here. Should be pretty easy to recover. You see, I think I should have done this first. Pull off all the trim and then start sanding. Well, now I know. Yeah, it's still hot.
No one knew who I was before I put on the mask.
You see, I'm taking a shortcut. I'm sure the carpenter gods are screaming at me right now. In reality, I should be removing everything. Taking out all the cabinets, removing the stove. I mean, I think that's the right way to do it. But, nah. Definitely taking the easy way. And, if it works, great. If not, still great. It'll look fine. It'll look fine. Well, I gotta run. The future of this channel will be more about traveling and documenting those experiences. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing and sharing with a friend. If you enjoyed this particular video, give it a like. Lets me know how I did. And remember, what you do today matters.